Hi splendid lovers, today I'm going to show you guys how I made this very delicious soft and fluffy moi moi, also known as beans pudding. First you have to peel your beans. You don't have to spend hours peeling your beans, okay? This is a very simple method. Just pour your beans into your blender, add enough water and just on it a few times. Like, don't leave your blender to run for so long. You switch it on, you off it, you switch it on, you off it, and that's just it. And the skin will come off easily. What you have to do next is just be adding water. Like, when you add water, the shaft will come up, which is your beans peel, or everything will come up. They will start floating at the top of the bowl. Then you drain it. You continue like that until your beans is white and clean. God bless the soul that found this hack, because I remember back in the day when we want to make moi moi, we have to soak the beans and start using grater to take off the skin and stuff. It's so stressful, trust me, and this has been the easiest method ever. Now in my blender I have my cleaned beans and my peppers, onions, and my seasoning cube as well, because I just want everything to blend smoothly. I had this crayfish powder which I'm going to be adding now, and also blend it. Once everything is perfectly blended together, I'm just going to get my bowl and transfer the moi moi batter into the bowl. Now I'm going to use my whisk to whisk this batter. This is going to help your moi moi turn out so fluffy and yeah, very soft. You're going to enjoy the texture, right? If you have hand mixer, you can also use your hand mixer to mix your moi moi batter. You are going to line your pot with this leaf, which I'm also using to wrap my moi moi. You can add your moi moi batter to like your moi moi cups to cook it, but I love the aroma and flavor this leaf adds to my moi moi, so I always love to use the leaf. Now for the first method, I will be showing two methods of wrapping your moi moi with this leaf. For the first method, you just want to pay attention, like just watch your screen carefully and you're going to understand. It's very easy to follow. I had two leaves which I break like part of the one that is going to be the inner one, right? Place it on top and you are just going to roll it, like form a coin with it. Then you are going to also bend the down part so that your moi moi batter will not spill through the hole at the bottom. Now you are going to open it up and fill it with your moi moi batter. Now to close it up, you are going to use that inner one, like you are going to bring it down to cover the moi moi batter. Now you fold from one end and place the other end on top, then bend it again, and this is what you are going to get. Very simple, right? Now method number two, you are going to get two leaves also. Now you are just going to fold each of the leaves like you want to form a coin, right? Just as you are seeing on your screen. So do the same thing for both leaves. Once that is ready, you are just going to place one of the leaves inside the other, like they will be facing each other, just as you are seeing on your screen. Now you are going to have the middle parts which you are going to be putting your moi moi batter. Don't forget, also fold the end, okay, so that your moi moi batter will not spill through that hole at the bottom. Now you are going to hold that firmly and fill the wrap with your moi moi batter. Once you have your moi moi batter inside your leaf, you are going to take one part down to cover the moi moi batter and also fold the other side from one end to the other end, and this is what you have. Very, very simple. Trust me, if you watch it carefully, you are going to get it right. Now fill up your pot with your already wrapped moi moi and just take it to the heat. Now for water, you want to add just very little amount of water. You are going to be adding water from time to time until your moi moi is ready, and that's just it. At this point, my yummy delicious moi moi was ready, and it's time to do the taste test. Trust me when I say this came out so good. Like, it's plain moi moi and it tasted so delicious. Can you see how fluffy this is? You are going to love it. This moi moi was so yummy. Everybody that had this moi moi, they kept asking for more. Like, we could not have enough of it. Trust me when I say it was so delicious and very fluffy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.